hello. Kev is going to come around and collect all bits and pieces to take down to the workshop. So they've been sitting there for varying amounts of time, a couple of years in some occasions. And of course today, it's snowing. Yeah. You alright, Kev? No, man. You alright? How's it going? I know. What's all that about? Who booked this? God, fingers are going already. I'm of course still recovering from the cold, otherwise it wouldn't be any fun, would it? So, unloading metal in the snow with a cold. Oh, fingers. Have to get your gloves on. So bloody cold out there. Oh, jeez. I did get a pair of gloves out, but quite cleverly, I didn't put them on. That fell. Do we know that doesn't work anymore? Sorry about the cough. Remember, that which does not kill you will only make you really seriously ill. Horrible. That's the thing with these. It's not heavy particularly, but it is large and it is quite awkward. But I'm sure between me and Kev, we'll figure something out. Went rolling around. Oh, and a single rear light, obviously. Why would you ever want a pair? I mean, just crazy, wouldn't it?
Big kind of grass.
Shall we go? Which one of us is going to be on our arse first? It's a right giggle getting it in on my own. The rich tapestry of Land Rovers. Yeah, good. Considerably heavier safari roofs. Anything that's left over, bring it in the van.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good.
Sounds like a plan, doesn't it? It's already come unravelled. And now we're finished, the snow has stopped. Brilliant. And then I'll see you at the workshop. Well, that's all the bits and pieces from the garden. We'll start working on the old job. Any luck, we'll get it back to life. Can't wait. Of course, I did have to pick the day that it's snowing to do the bit that goes on outside. How did this happen to Rosie? So we're going to use items laying around as a wooden block and a piece of cut-off steel. Move the cab to the side. Now, on the M40, there's a section where there are two junctions where you, in order to stay on the M40, you have to move into the centre lane. So this was about 10:30 at night, I suppose, so quite dark, quite late at night. And I had done so. I was travelling in the centre lane on the M40, just before the M25, those of you interested. Going on quite nicely, a safe manoeuvre, and I looked in that very mirror there, and there was a screech of tyres, and I saw in that mirror a vehicle at this sort of angle to me, so 45 degrees. She then got pushed like this. Started to spin as this vehicle carried on. So the front corner then hits the centre divide, bang, followed by boom, big hit on the back. This vehicle keeps going through, she bounced off, centre divide, parked very nicely on the hard shoulder with this vehicle behind her. This guy then gets out, not a scratch, except for a little scuff mark of rubber on the bumper. This bit here, this is really where Rosie got hit, and that's about it. That's the only damage. Not even the exhaust, the panel, there's nothing happening there. There's flaky paint on there, but that's about it. It's just an old car. Maybe the only marks are a tiny little bit of scuffing there, but that could have been when we put her on the trailer, to be honest with you. So as far as we can figure out, the vehicle that hit me must have hit pretty much on the tyre, and the only mark is a scuff on the vehicle, nothing on Rosie whatsoever. Annoying. Whose idea was it to do this in the snow? I'm just a monkey with a spanner, but if I can do this, you can do that.